Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how to make these delicious and juicy meatballs. First, you are going to add all the ingredients to a bowl and mix them nicely. I'm adding the yolk egg first, and if I needed more, I will add the rest of it. When adding the oat flour, add a small amount first and see how the paste is. And if you needed more, you can add more at any time. You don't have to use oat flour. You can use any type of flour or breadcrumbs if you like. You have the choice to make the mixture into any size, small or medium balls. Add some oil to a pan and fry your meatballs. Make sure they get brown or golden evenly on all the sides. Now add your choice of oil to another pan or a pot and fry the chopped onion. When the onion got nice and golden, add your spices and tomato and let them cook for a few minutes. Okay, it's time to add water to the tomato. Also adding the dehydrated lemons and the meatballs. And also I'm adding one fresh chili. It's up to you if you want to add fresh chili or chili powder or whatever you want. And we're gonna let them cook for at least 20 minutes. At this stage, I'm adding a little bit of the herbs that I have for garnishing. Alright, our meatballs are ready, and these meatballs are really delicious. They are so juicy and full of flavors. You can serve these meatballs with rice or pasta if you like. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and enjoyed making these meatballs with me. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.